For homeowners in Coppell, improving energy efficiency isn't just about saving on monthly bills. It's about creating a more comfortable, sustainable living environment. One often overlooked upgrade that makes a significant difference is new door installation. Modern doors offer advanced insulation, better sealing, and energy-saving features that older doors simply can't match. The energy loss problem with older doors: over time, doors can warp, crack, or lose their tight seal. This allows outside air to leak into your home and conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Coppell's climate, where summers can be hot and winters chilly, this can lead to higher heating and cooling costs, uneven indoor temperature, increased wear and tear on HVAC systems. Replacing an old or poorly fitted door addresses these inefficiencies at the source. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. New doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like solid cores, insulated glass panels, and thermal breaks help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer, you'll experience cooler interiors in the summer, for better heat retention in the winter, reduced strain on heating and cooling system. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, often come with foam insulation that offers superior thermal resistance compared to wood. Advanced weather stripping and sealing gaps around the doorframe are a major culprit for energy loss. Professional door installation in Coppell includes precise fitting and modern weather stripping to keep air leaks to a minimum. These seals also block dust, pollen, and humidity, important for maintaining indoor air quality. Energy-efficient glass option. For homeowners who choose doors with glass inserts, new models feature double or triple pane glass with low emissivity, low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, all while letting in natural light without increasing your energy bills. Impact on utility bills. While the savings vary based on your home's condition and current door quality, replacing a drafty, outdated door can reduce energy costs by up to 10 to 15% annually. Over time, this adds up, helping the door pay for itself through reduced utility expenses. Added benefits beyond energy savings. When you invest in a new door, you're not only improving efficiency, you're also boosting curb appeal. A stylish, modern entryway increases home value. Improving security, stronger materials and advanced locking systems provide peace of mind. Reducing maintenance needs, modern materials resist warping, rust, and rot. Why professional installation matters. Even the most energy-efficient door can underperform if it's not installed correctly. Professional installers ensure perfect alignment for smooth operation, secure anchoring for durability, airtight seals to maximize efficiency. A professional will also remove and dispose of your old door, inspect the frame for damage, and make necessary repairs before installation. Final thoughts for Coppell homeowners looking to lower utility bills, enhance comfort, and increase property value. New door installation is a smart, long-term investment. With the right materials, proper sealing, and expert installation, you can enjoy an energy-efficient home that's comfortable in every season.